Statement 1 sets a variable before the loop starts, int I equals 1. Statement 2 defines the condition for the loop to run, I must be less than 20. If the condition is true, the loop will start over again. If it is false, the loop will end. Statement 3 increases a value, I++, each time the code block in the loop has been executed.